How to update your weight in MiFit app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily edit your weight on MiFit app. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So this is the official app for MiFit. It was formerly known as MiFit, but now its name is changed to Zep Life. So as you can see, this is the official app for MI wearable devices. Just go ahead and open up your app and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see here, I've used my Google account to log in. So on the homepage, you will see all of your data like your sleep data, your BMI, and everything else. If you scroll down all the way here, you have an option to add your weight. So just tap on weight. And if you want to add a weight to your record, you can do that as well. So just tap on this and it will show you a decline of your weight and a small graph to record your trackings. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.